Chairman ILBS and Chief Secretary Delhi, Shri P. K. Tripathi ji, Principal Secretary Health, Shri Anshu Prakash ji, Commissioner Police, Shri B. K. Gupta ji, Dr. Ranjit Rai Chaudhary ji, Dr. Kamat ji, Shri Ashok Kumar Chauhan ji, Founder President RBEF, Shri Surendra Sharma ji, Ms. Diana Hayden ji, Miss World, Dr. Y.K. Chawla ji, Dr. S.K. Sareen ji, Dr. D.K. Diwan, Dr. Anil Agarwal, ladies and gentlemen and dear children. It is my honor to be here on the 14th Hepatitis Day, and today is the starting of the Hepatitis Awareness Week, which will continue for full 1 week. We all know that when this institute was constructed, this project was taken up, we really felt that in Delhi there is a serious need to have an Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences. Many people suffering from hepatitis and many other complications connecting with the liver. And I must congratulate Dr. Sareen, who has really built up this place very nicely, and it has got a big name in whole of the Asia. His dedication and hard work has really brought a big name to this place. When we talk about hepatitis, we know it is hepatitis A infection, B, C, D and E. Hepatitis A and E, we all know it is being transmitted through water and the food. But B, C and D, they are transmitted through the blood transfusion or using of the infected needles. So now we are very careful that in all the hospitals, the needles which we provide, they are disposable needles, and after use they are being disposed. But for hepatitis B, we started the vaccination program in 2001, and I feel happy to say we have vaccinated 30 lakh children. In last 10 years, 30 lakh children were born, and all of them have been vaccinated for hepatitis B. But our problem is that hepatitis C, there is no vaccination. So naturally, at present, the best thing is to prevent hepatitis C from the transmission. And now we are working on the net testing that will bring down the window period and in the blood banks and prevent transmission of the hepatitis C virus also. But we all have to be careful. The children have put beautiful exhibition. They have demonstrated how the virus is transmitted, and I think if you go through this exhibition, you will have a fair view about the hepatitis C infection. As Dr. Sareen said, that we need to provide special help for the patients suffering with hepatitis C or hepatitis B. Already we have decided that those patients who require liver transplant, Government of Delhi will provide them with 2.5 lakh rupees for the surgery, and later on 1.5 lakh rupees every year for the treatment. So we have already taken this decision. We are trying our best to control the disease, and in our school-going children, we have started a Chacha Nehru Sehat Yojana, in which all the children who have not been vaccinated up till now against hepatitis B, they will be vaccinated. So that will take care that all the children up till 12th class, they are vaccinated. But I think that we all need to have awareness about this disease so that we can control it. We definitely hope that last time when we met and we decided about this hepatitis B vaccination program, that was about 10 years back, and today we are discussing about hepatitis C. I hope there will be some vaccine for hepatitis C, and we will be able to start that vaccine also and control this disease. So for today's program, I must congratulate all the people who have come here and Dr. Sareen for this nice and beautiful function. Government of Delhi is always with you, as our Chief Secretary has already spoken, that whatsoever you decide, ultimately everybody implements that. Nobody says no to you. And I assure you that whatsoever you will propose, we will be definitely there to support that. With these words, I thank you very much. Thank you.